All right, now we're going to move on to the final for Introduction to Media Arts. Okay, this is 15% of your semester grade. This is the example edit. I'm not going to play the whole thing, but we'll watch it in class. This is a short film. If you listen to it, it has no dialogue. It's just all like a silent film music. So that edit, this one right here, is 2.5 minutes long. Okay, there will be a link here for your footage. And I actually might go and put it on your computer because Google Drive is giving us problems. So I'll put it on some USB drives and have some, we'll go and install it on your computer for you. So read through the assignment here. I'm going to ask you to edit on your assigned computer only. So even if you have a computer at home, if this is your final exam or a final project, kind of like an exam, you're going to work on it in class on your computer. If you need to come in before school or during advisory, that's okay too. But it has to be on that computer that you're assigned to. I'm going to grade you on the story structure of it. So you're going to create a shorter version of that film, and it's completely possible. But I just don't want you copying their edit shot for shot. The movie story structure should be clear and logical, so still tell a good story. It can be a little bit different than what they did. Use smooth transitions, the audio transitions, that doesn't really affect this too much because it's all the same music. So use straight cuts. Try to avoid those dissolves and dips to black and all that stuff. Make a title and closing credits. Credit slate. We'll talk about that in a little bit. Show your instructor. So I want to see you at your assigned workstation when you're finishing up. Come tell me that you're about to export, and come let me take a look at everything. Put your timeline and screenshot and exported film. There will be a little tutorial showing you exactly how to do that again. Double check that the link works and submit that in Canvas. Okay, it should take you about, average student, less than 2 84-minute blocks. If you get extra time, or if you were absent during one of them, there's a non-final block, and that's for accommodated extra time or for extra time for students who miss class. And you can also come in before class or and stayed through advisory before school. All right, and here's the rubric: video length, text. So all the text is used appropriately. So you're going to have a title and credits at the end. Your credit slate is there. That's I'll show you that here in a minute. All right, so from your edit, I want to see that story line. I want to see 2 layers of editing, so the video 1 track and video 2 track. Movie is exported in HD. Again, there's a tutorial for that. Your screenshot. And I'm not going to grade you if I don't see that you did it in class on your own. So that screenshot's on there and the rubric, but you have to do that. I will give you extra credit if you do an honest self-assessment with notes. So I'll give you 5 points extra credit if you do a self-assessment with comments for anything you give yourself a 1 or 0 on, or a 5 on. If you're grading yourself in the middle there, you don't need to comment on it. But if you say you need 5 out of 5, you deserve 5 out of 5 points on that, or full, then you give me a little comment telling me exactly what you did right. All right, let's take a look at the files. Okay, if you do happen to run into the zipped file, if you hover over it, it's going to say compress zip folder. You're going to have to right click, so the right button on the mouse, and then normal click to extract all. Once that's unzipped, I want you to put it in your videos folder. And make a new project. Okay, create that. Skip. Import. All right, so you get one clip and you drop it on there, and then you delete it, and that sets your timeline parameters. So this is an insert, so what that means is you have a clip there, and then things that say insert, you will probably put on video 2, and that'll help you get your points for having a timeline there. So go ahead and just spend the first little while just watching each clip and seeing how you're going to put that together to make sense. Here's the audio track. So use 2 minutes of that, a minute and a half to 2 minutes of that. And yeah, good luck. This should be fun.